Daddy will go home early. Diyan siya sa baba natutulog. Dada will go home early. May milk siya and bread. You doing? Daddy. You kiss me. Bye, Bella. Bye to Dada. Come here to Dada. We'll go home na. It's 6 a.m. here now. Before Dada will go, I want to libang first. Libang magbuntag sa'yo. Bye, my dear. Shh. Say I love you. Shh. Call your driver fast. Di gid makita. Hindi makikita, guys. Pag hindi naka-jacket ng green ay hindi talaga makikita. Bye-bye. Say bye, Dada. Dada. You're okay now. She's feeling better now. Say bye, Dada. Bye, Dada. Let's go. It's very cold. They are working here now. This is the garden of Mama. What's going on? Oh. Oh, ito yung garden ni Mama dito. Madami ng bunga-bunga na. You make a fence? Yeah. Okay. So the cow, they put it here now.
We are going to change this vegetables to come to this side, a smaller bit.
Ooh.
Where the cows will sleep.
I see.
Change from up there.
So the garden of Mama will transfer there.
Yeah.
And here is a cow. Okay.
Also the house up there, I think.
Yeah. Yes. Wala. They're transferring the cows there, guys. Because dito, magdidig dito para makatayo ng bahay. Transfer yung dito. Donkey. Yeah, wait, Bella. It's running.
Bella.
kuya. Jaria want to puti. Ang boton sa pangalan ana pag finishing sa salug gamit tayo sa kaba. Hi. Sisi. Ay, it's hard, Bella. I can't do work, my dear. Excuse me. Yeah. Yung brother na doon. Cheria, you mix with what? Cement. And?
No.
Why is like that?
It's white.
Yeah.
It's like this, but it is white.
Oh.
Yeah.
White.
Yeah.
This one, you mean?
You mix with water.
This is cement.
No.
Where did you get it?
You buy.
This one?
Yeah.
Ah.
But Mama's home
Okay.
was not buying because it has.
Okay. So this like a finishing. This one and water only.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want, you can mix with the poop of cow. If you
Oh.
want.
Yeah.
If you are not rich.
Ay, Jeria is doing good job here. She also put it here. Oh, sure. Yung brother. Dito yung brother niya. Where is Bella?
Is there?
No.
Baba. Umwana no araw. Bella is there.
Oh, okay. Ay, let me wash clothes of Bella. Also here, they are busy transferring the garden of Mama because at the back, Bernard may be starting to build a small house. So dito the garden ni Mama ito transfer. Oh, okay. So dyan ang cow ilalagay. So this one garden. So that side cows until down up there.
Yes.
Okay. So I think it's big. Ito yung vegetable nila dito. Ito yung cows.
Best. How do you see?
It's okay. Go on na. I think I prepare food for them. Yung garden ni Mama, mas malaki na siya compare dito. Tapos, dito papasok yung cow at donkey. Diyan. I-open pa nila dyan, guys. Baka tomorrow na. Dito yung kapatid niya. Jaya is not yet.
Mom is sleeping.
Jerry, what happened to your face now?
Gano sukit ko may bilang tiyaw tayo. Because yung mata yung gusto rin ko tulong ko.
It's not yet, Jerry. You did a good job. Who told you that you do that? Who told you, Jerry, to do that?
Who told me?
No. Okay.
See those sounds is very bad, so I can do this one then.
You know I missed it.
Yeah.
When I go to school is okay now.
Yeah.
Yesterday I missed the dedication of Bell.
Yeah, I told you you come with us. No, you not. Why?
Mararo. Mararo.